Hey guys, I thought I would do this on camera. I was just able to pick this upside down, this assa lock, and I just got this today. I got two of these. The other one is in my collection. This is the one I would pick on camera. I had some trouble with it, but after an hour or so, I managed to open it. So now I am taking it apart, and I will pick it in another video someday. Apparently, it's only a 4-pinner, but there is 5 chambers. Maybe the fourth pin is upstairs, but I don't think so. And I don't think so because if you look there, it seems like there's only 4 pins because of that cutout. So that fits with the fourth pin missing. Yeah, so I think it's only a 4-pinner, but there is pins on the bottom, so this is gonna be fun to cut. So there's both top and bottom pins. Let's start with the key pins. Come on. Oh, there is some taper on there. Oh yeah. No wonder it took me so long to pick. Where's my tweezers? I have to find them first. Let's see if we can get focus on it. That should be good enough. Look at that tapering. That's nice. And I can only get one shim in. So I was not even sure if this would work anyway. But I did get the follower through and the core out. So hopefully the gutting will go without too much trouble. If I just can get a hold of the shim there. Now the fun part starts. There should be both top and bottom pins, so yeah, let's see. That should be top pins, that should be bottom pins, so yeah. How am I going to do this? That was both in pin 1, but what was up and what was... This seemed to have the same size, so I guess it wouldn't matter. Okay. I should have had some special feature to this follower, especially for this, but I don't, so... Okay, this is a gamble. I'm just gonna do... Oops. That was close to go very, very wrong. Can't see everything because I'm holding some of it out of the camera. Sorry about that. Don't say I'm missing a spring. Those tiny ones are not easy to find. Oh, it's right there. Phew. Okay, this time I'll try to hold my finger over the hole so that it don't spring out. I really don't like that sound. It does really seem like it's just standard pins all the way through, which is a little bit disappointing after an hour of picking, but I guess that's the overset trap that tricked me a bit. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, so the last one is all the way down there. Okay, we didn't lose any parts. That's at least something. It's fun that it really threw me off like that for an hour. Since it's all standard, the only actually security feature is the taper on the key pins, which is, I might add, very good tapered, I think. If I just can get a hold on it. But that's pretty much the only security feature, which, because of all the clicks, and I did get small false sets, and I guess that's the taper that did that. So I won't say this is a bad luck, but for an assa, this is actually not that fantastic, I think. I hope on some security, and the pins are tiny. Man, they are small. Now I know what's inside. It should be easier to pick the next time. And yeah, so that's what I want to show. So I'm probably gonna pick this either, if I can do it on video today, I may do that, but right now I have to figure out how to put this back together again. I may have to cut in the follower to be able to rotate it to put the pins in, but just like on this, so I can pin one side, turn it, and pin another side. But this doesn't really fit in there. So may have to do that on one of those. I don't know yet. I'll figure it out. But it was fun to God. And hopefully I will have fixed that problem. So I'm gonna pick this another time, maybe later today, maybe not. And tomorrow it is challenge lock Wednesday. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.